Seat time. Hair guy. Yo, what's up, y'all? Happy New Year's, man. Happy New Year's. It's 2021. Yeah. I just think it's gonna be the same as 2020. A little bit better, maybe. We got the COVID shot now, but whatever. I hope all y'all, had a safe New Year. I hope all y'all have a even better 2021. I mean, we hear y'all, so let's make the best of it. I just got some new braids about Thursday last week. I got 7 this time, so of course the hair is growing. I managed to get 7 braids. She could have done 6, but I don't know. I think she begins doing even amount of braids. I just let her do what she do. But you'll see the hang time is hanging too. Hang time's getting there. Today is my official 14 months. 14 months of growing my hair. So 2 months over the 1 year mark, and we're still going. We're still looking good. For me, there's not much I can say. This is just a little quick video. I'm about to go and get something to eat real quick. But yeah. Stay tuned for the video in February. I'm gonna do another hair update. I did a check with my hair before I got it braided. My hair just grew a little bit. So by February, I should, by that video, you can see the progress. What else? Oh, I almost put my hair in a ponytail the other day too when I took out my last braid. It's almost there. It's not quite. I got about a good 6 months before I probably can put in the ponytail, so I ain't gonna brag about it. Ain't nothing to brag about. It's just almost there. I had it up in a little bun. Still have my little flyaways. So I give it another 6 months before I got a little perfect little bun back there. Yeah, man. I hope everyone had a good Christmas, Happy New Year. I'm about to get up off here. I'm about to go grab something to eat real quick. Yeah, man, keep growing, keep going. God bless y'all. Have a good 2021.